Oh boy, that's the only thing I know to say about this. You might be wondering, why am I looking at a 1966 Plymouth? Well, this isn't just your normal 1966 Plymouth. This is the one that used to belong to Buddy Martin and his wife. In 1966, this car was actually given to Buddy Martin for his wife to drive around. And it turns out it has been in the same hands since they sold it back in the late 60s. And someone that came to one of the open houses mentioned that they had the car, and Buddy Martin has bought it. And so this car is now at our place, VIP, to be gone through so that we can get it running and be able to give it back to Buddy. Dad is super excited about this project because, you know, there's not a lot of opportunities where Dad could give back to Buddy for all the things that Buddy did for Dad. So this car has not moved since about 1986. But as you can see from the interior, the car is actually pretty amazing shape. So factory air car, 383. Pretty loaded out. As you can see, the door panels and stuff are in really good shape. Some of the pot metal's aged and whatnot, but we're gonna go through. You got the Commando V8. We're gonna go through and get it running. At this point right now, we don't have any fire. So we'll go through fuel, electrical, do everything we can just to make it a driving, functioning car, and then get it to Buddy and let him decide you know, kind of what he wants to do next with it. And if you think I'm joking about how long this car is set, there's your inspection sticker, March of 1986. So we've done absolutely nothing to clean her up. Video probably makes her look a little better than she really is, but overall, honestly, really dry car. So I haven't taken a look here to see. Let's get inside. Yeah, so I'm gonna guess that's 102, not 2,000 miles, but you can see, I mean, this thing is super, super solid. Even got the rear speaker switch there, which I think is pretty cool. But yeah, so keep following us. I'll keep you up to date on what we're doing. I love this VIP. I love the way that looks, but everything seems to be really solid with the car. So we'll get her up on the lift, see what she looks like underneath, and get her running and back home where she belongs with Buddy.